Just to give a little bit background about me is actually I can help you. Let's say if you're looking for some career progress or leadership progress or business progress or motivation or confidence, I take coaching, training, and consulting sessions. So, and I can customize them to your current needs to achieve your future success. So, if you want my help, stay in touch with me. I'll just put down my WhatsApp details. Feel free to ask me questions. Stay in touch with on WhatsApp. And guys, that's what all about the career masterclass. Now the platform is open. Ask any question if you have. If you have any feedback, any commitments, feedback, to just unmute yourself and share the comments. So it's open to you. Thank you so much. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.
Thank you, Nilesh. It's really great session. I have just qualified as a success coach myself. And
very good.
Thank you. And it's brilliant to hear you and sort of see you again after the London session. We were in the same training at one time, and it was a great session. I learned so much. Obviously, it goes really with my ethics as well. So I will be using some of your ideas.
Use all of them.
And it will improve my coaching skills as well.
Anytime.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for your feedback. Yeah. Anybody else? Yeah. If you have any questions, let me know.
Hey Nilesh, this is Amol. Can you hear me?
Amol, hi. For a long time.
Yeah, long time. It's good to hear, man. It's great. I mean, I really enjoyed your videos. So I took time to connect today, and
thank you so much, Amol.
Really helpful. Yes. And thanks for all the insights.
You are welcome, Amol. And I think it's 15-20 years now we spoke.
Yeah, from engineering days, right?
Engineering days. Yeah, we studied together. Yes. But thank you so much for joining. Good to see you.
Sure. Yeah, good to hear.
Yes. So guys, anybody else has any questions? I'm here along for next couple of minutes. If you have any questions, just unmute yourself, ask the questions.
Not a question, Nilesh. It was really wonderful session, and I really liked your attract method and formula. And I think I'm going to definitely apply some things in my new career, which is I'm starting. Recently qualified as a coach now.
Exactly. I think we spoke about that as well, right? So yes.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Yeah, you're welcome, Prachi. Yes. I guess somebody else was speaking. Yes.
Yes, Meenal.
Hi, Meenal.
Yeah, hi. Okay, thank you so much. The session was really helpful. And especially for me, because I've just moved on to a new venture of the London Dabbawalas coming to Midland. If you have seen it on our
Yes, I saw that. Yes.
Yeah, so this is a perfect timing for me to learn so much from you, because it'll help a lot for my business also. So
yes, you're welcome, Meena. Thank you for joining.
Yeah, thank you.
Yes. Guys, anybody else has any questions or comments or feedback? Just unmute yourself and yeah.
Hi, Nilesh.
Hi, Swapnil.
Awesome session, man. Very concise and very useful. Yeah, and it's definitely going to attract lots of positivity and cheerfulness. It's always great to see you. And
thank you, Swapnil.
Same here as well. So thanks a lot. It was an amazing session. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Swapnil.
Hi, Nilesh.
Yes, Rajgiri.
So I have the session was very wonderful. So it was a good session and good knowledge we have acquired from you. And I have also read your book actually. The book was very, very simple. It is more of practical ways to learn the things. So from you. So I like your book and the way of mentoring this success formula.
Thank you.
Like if it is applied and the way you say, it is very quite simple way. So even I have read one book called Small Change, Small Steps to Take in our life. So
yes.
So that is the way you have explained. So it is very interesting to learn from you.
Thank you so much, Ajay. Thank you so much for your feedback. Hi, Manjiri.
Hi, Nilesh. A great session and thanks a lot. Just wanted to echo what you have said about time management and focusing on one dream at a time. So very well done on that. Thank you.
Thank you, Manjari. Thanks for your comments as well. Guys, anybody else has any questions, comments? I'm still here. Yeah, feel free to just unmute yourself and ask the questions or any comments if you have. Yes. So guys, once again, thank you so much. Thank you so much for joining. As I always say, there are many people who want to achieve success in their life, but they just don't show up. Don't show up when the opportunities are there to learn. While you are here, you actually stayed to learn about success, and that actually shows the commitment. You are like slightly different people than all those other people are. So well done. Thank you so much. I really enjoyed having this session, conducting this session. And thank you so much. Stay in touch. If you need any help, drop me a message.
Nilesh, since you have conducted the session, allow me to, say a simple thanks because you conducted the session on association with OMPEC. So thank you very much for taking the time out, putting a session together and delivering it. And I think it is in line with the OMPEC's ethos that the real successful people are those who make others successful. Or the real leaders are those who don't create followers, but create more leaders. Exactly. So your session was also focused on the same thing. And congratulations and thank you very much for taking the time out. Anyone who wants to also know more about OMPEC platform, which was specifically created as a springboard for Maharashtrian UK professionals and entrepreneurs, I have shared the link in the chat window. Do have a look. I'm sure Nilesh had successful experience at OMPEC, like many others.
I do.
And by becoming member, basically you get a good platform to showcase your talent and showcase your product and services to rest of the world. So Nilesh, thank you very much for your time and doing wonderful session, which as everyone has mentioned already. Wish you all the best. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Annie. And once again, I would like to thank all of you who joined. Thank you so much to OMPEC, who gave me the platform. At the same time, a lot of support during the event as well. Ravi, Reshma, Ani, and Raj, and all of them, very helpful. Next thing, I want to once again thank you to Future Bricks, was the sponsor for this event. Very soon, I'll be sending the thank you email to you, and also there will be some contact details of Dr. Saiba. If you're thinking about at least learning about property developments in the UK, how simple it is, and what are the ways that you can get started, get in touch with Dr. Saiba, and she's a brilliant person. She'll help you out. So after the session, I'll send a thank you email with her contact details. Feel free to reach her. At the same time, if you need any help in your career or business or anything, I have my contact details here. And stay in touch. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys.
Thanks, Nilesh.
Thank you, Nilesh.
Thank you, Nilesh.
Thank you, Nilesh.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Nilesh.